Hello. The weather patterns for this week are very different to those of last week. Most of us are going to have a dry week. A lot of cloud around and gone of those cold winds of last week. It's much milder. At least for most of us. There are one or two exceptions. Get onto that in a moment. Let's look at the big picture first of all, because this tells the story. High pressure dominating across northwest Europe and across the UK. This low pressure system bringing some wet and windy weather through parts of Greece, Turkey and the Balkans. But we're interested in this high pressure, bringing a lot of dry weather. Now there is this weather front lying across the middle of it, and that is still providing some outbreaks of rain during Tuesday across parts of southern Scotland, northern England, parts of North Wales. So dull and damp here. Elsewhere, well, it's generally quite dull, but we'll see some spells of sunshine across parts of eastern Scotland and East Anglia in the southeast. Here we'll have plenty of sunshine, but it's here. Remember I talked to you at the start about it not being mild everywhere? It's here we've got the cold air. Temperatures here just 3 or 4 degrees. Elsewhere, well, we're a little bit higher than that, and it's really quite mild across Scotland and Northern Ireland, double digits expected. Now the area of high pressure is still with us through Wednesday, and it is drawing down the colder air, particularly into the southeast and East Anglia. So it's here where we've got the lowest temperatures, and it's here where we're most likely to wake up to scenes like this. There will be a frost on Wednesday morning across East Anglia, southeast England, some other parts of the south too. Elsewhere, it's not as frosty for a couple of reasons. The main one being the blanket of cloud overnight, keeping the temperatures up. Now that cloud's still providing a little bit of light rain and drizzle here and there too, chiefly around northwest England, southwest Scotland, and maybe some rain across northern Scotland as well. But for many it will be dry, again predominantly cloudy for most of us, sunny skies across the far south. That area of high pressure is still with us, sitting right across the UK on Thursday, keeping the weather fronts well away from our shores. Around this area of high pressure, the breezes continue to blow and will bring maybe a bit more patchy cloud across western Scotland, maybe even a little bit of light rain and drizzle here. The wind's pretty light in most places, but a bit more of a breeze potentially in the south. And again, we should see some sunshine here, but for most places it will be, again, predominantly cloudy. Could be some fog around as well. Temperature-wise, 7, 8, 9 degrees Celsius. The area of high pressure, well, is still with us for Friday and even into the weekend. It does show signs of just starting to ebb away as we go through Saturday and into Sunday, but generally the theme continues for the weekend. It looks like staying largely dry, mild for most of us, but there will be a lot of cloud and some fog around as well.